NovaCast Technologies was established in 1981 and has developed unique software and a range of products to enhance quality, lead time and production economics for the automotive industry and its suppliers. The Camito method is revolutionary for the automotive industry. The technology makes it possible to shorten lead times for developing new car models by up to 40%. Time is won through considerable speeding up of tool production in new vehicle projects without an increase in tool cost. Instead of building up a tool by hand, the Camito method makes it possible to melt iron and steel together in one solid piece directly in the foundry. The harder tool steel is cast on wear and function surfaces, allowing tools to be designed with a lower percentage of steel. This gives new and more efficient design possibilities, as well as reducing the expensive and energy-consuming steel content to a minimum. At Sweepark Werktuig, the enhanced Camito die shoe is machined, assembled and verified in our tryout presses before shipping to our customer's press shop. Founded in 1941, Sweepark Werktuig is now Scandinavia's largest manufacturer of press tools, with the skills and capacity to handle all types of tools for the automotive industry. Compacted graphite iron for pressure-resistant engine blocks and heads is attracting greater and greater interest within the automotive industry. With the graphite technology, NovaCast has developed methods specially designed for mass production of a material with enhanced machining properties. This means better production economics both for the foundry and for the customer. Intelligent software from NovaCast Foundry Solutions will not only improve accuracy and yield in the foundry, it will also reduce the use of alloys and have an impact on environmental issues such as smoke emissions and unpleasant odors in the foundry. In 1981, Mr. Rudolf Sillen, a foundry engineer and metallurgist, was working as foundry manager for a Swedish jobbing foundry. He saw the need to use computers as tools to handle the complex foundry technology in a more scientific way. The idea was to transform the foundry industry, which is more than 5,000 years old, from art to science, and thereby be able to produce castings more successfully. He founded the NovaCast company and started to make computer software for foundries. The systems for simulation of the foundry process and systems for metallurgical process control are in use by more than 500 foundries worldwide. Automobile companies such as Volvo, Scania, Caterpillar, Citroën and Toyota are amongst the users who benefit from the knowledge of NovaCast systems. NovaCast systems are also essential components in the production of Camito castings in order to obtain the desired high quality. The product concept is unique and the technology patent protected. Now, NovaCast is introducing the Camito concept to be utilized in the automotive industry for the manufacturing of tool and dies for the production of vehicle body components. This is of particular interest since the automotive industry is a market in which lead time production is a strategically prioritized area. One of the prime competitive parameters is frequent model change. But no car can be manufactured until the body dies are ready, and there have been only a few advances in this area over the past 30 years. This is why the Camito concept opens up entirely new possibilities. Shortening the lead time by 1/3 will save 3 to 4 months when developing a new model. Camito Technology Center is the base for production, research and development and education related to the new technology. The investment in a new foundry during 2008 with expanded manufacturing capacity means that NovaCast Technologies AB can better meet the increasing demand for Camito tools and dies. The expanded capacity in the foundry will create the production capability needed to manufacture up to 600 Camito dies per year, primarily for customers in the immediate surroundings. The production of Camito die shoes will be combined with production of high-quality castings for the rapidly expanding demanding windmill industry. Camito Technology Center is a significant research, development and training center. Prospective certified Camito subcontractors come here for training and to learn the Camito method. Camito has developed design guidelines, simulation and process control software in addition to the patented Camito technology. Together with strategic partners like Uddeholm and Sandvik, we have also created the Camito concept, with the final aim to reduce lead time by up to 40%, with a considerably enhanced quality and customer value. In the Sandvik Research and Technology Center, the knowledge gained by Sandvik is being used to develop new intelligent machining strategies for the Camito technology.
First of all, welcome to the Sandvik Coromant Application Center in Iron Mold Manufacturing. To give you a small background, I would like to point out that we have about 2,000 active patents, and about 70% of our products are covered by these and protected by these patents. When we took on this task with the Project Alpha, we started with making a complete process analysis, and we defined different characteristic features in the die shoes, the upper and lower die shoe, and then we broke down these features into part operations. And after that we dedicated specific holding and cutting tools, which guaranteed a maximum material removal rate in each operation. We also utilized a CAM system, TEBIS in our case, with templates and the most advanced milling strategies whatsoever, and adapted those together with the cutting data and the tooling. So we reached a result which is astonishing. We managed to bring down machining time from normally or typically 250 to 300 machining hours to 73 hours in our case. And this was a reduction of the lead time and an increase of the cost efficiency with very high on a very high level. And this couldn't have been done without Camito casting to begin with. This is very much dependent on the fact that the Camito casting is having or allowing a non-interrupted type of milling, due to that there are not any interrupted character of machining, which you normally have when you have mounted inserts in tool steel. And then also the total amount of material to be removed is less, and you can have very smooth engagements and exits, and thus increase your productivity output and your benefits. So it was a very good combination: Sandvik Coromant, Camito casting, and the advanced machining strategies and the CAM system features.
Working with the leading automotive companies and suppliers in Europe has enabled Swepart to gain an in-depth understanding of tool and die manufacture. A wide range of tools are available, from medium progression to large single-line tools up to 40 tons. Swepart also has considerable experience of high-strength steel, DP and trip material. Swepart's aim is to offer customers a comprehensive stamping die service from conceptual design through to the final development of the product. CATIA V5 and Inventor give Swepart the ability to provide a complete design service. A well-trained and experienced workforce, combined with the latest assembly and machine park with measuring and tryout presses up to 1,200 ton, enables Swepart to deliver the very best product available. Together with technical partner Sandvik Coromant, NovaCast will transform Swepart into the Camito specialist, who in turn can show other tool and die producers how to utilize the considerable reduction in man-hours and all the other benefits of using Camito die shoes in their production. At the moment, the foundry industry is subject to long-term changes, favoring high-tech foundry suppliers with a global geographic presence, such as NovaCast Foundry Solutions. NovaCast Foundry Solutions introduce process thinking and decision-making tools into the foundries, leading to higher profitability for their business. NovaCast Foundry Solutions make sure that their knowledge helps customers to achieve their goals in the marketplace. The NovaCast Foundry Solutions well-known trademarks, ATAS, Graphite and NovaFlow and Solid, stand for the customer satisfaction, product leadership and operational excellence of today. More than 500 customers in 42 countries are using the software. NovaCast Foundry Solutions will continue to deliver profitable solutions to the global foundry industry with a clear environmental focus. The secret behind NovaCast expansion is the ability to develop software and new technical innovations and turn them into products with very clear and high customer values. The products are used by companies like Audi, BMW and Volvo, and another 500 customers throughout the world.